Hello everyone, this is Stacy from Stacy Rabbit Jewelry. Today I'm here with the Bead Obsession Great Beads and their amazing April Findings box. First up in the Findings box are these silver wavy spacer beads. These are so fun and these would be great on any kind of necklace or earring design. And because of the waviness, they've got this sparkle to them. They are just a really fun and unique spacer. This month's box comes with a bunch of really cute heart-shaped clasps. Check out these big gold heart lobster clasps. These would be fun on a keychain, or you could even use these on the front of a necklace. The box also comes with a second heart-shaped lobster clasp. These are antique silver lobster clasps, and these are really cute. I love them. Can't wait to use them. Next, I want to share these antique bronze barrel spacer beads. These are absolutely perfect for bracelets, necklaces. They're very subtle, but again, nice quality. The Bead Obsession does not skimp on the quantity of findings that they give you. You get all of these flower bead caps. Aren't these amazing? And these are antique bronze in their really cute little flowers. Last but not least are these copper patina flower beads. These are my favorites. I cannot wait to start using these. I've got a couple ideas in mind, and perfect for the person like me who loves blues and turquoises and teals. Thank you so much for joining me for this fun unboxing of the April Findings box from the Bead Obsession. Look at all these great goodies from the Findings box. I know I will be having a blast working these into my designs. Bye.